Keeping your electronics dust-free is essential for performance and longevity, but traditional cleaning methods can be risky or ineffective. A compressed air duster offers a safe, powerful solution to tackle hidden dirt and debris. Choosing the right one ensures effective cleaning while protecting your valuable devices. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best compressed air duster of 2025. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the number 1. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. Number 5, we have the EOUMJE brand compressed air duster. The standout feature of this compressed air duster is its powerful 150,000 RPM motor, delivering exceptional airflow for efficient dust removal. Whether you're cleaning keyboards, computers, or hard-to-reach crevices in your car, its performance ensures a spotless result every time. This rechargeable and cordless design eliminates the hassle of disposable cans, offering a sustainable and cost-effective alternative. With 3 adjustable speed settings, it adapts to various cleaning needs, from gentle dusting to tackling stubborn debris. The lightweight build and included attachments make it easy to handle even in tight spaces. Ideal for those who value convenience, it's also versatile enough for household cleaning or even as a blower tool for grilling. This duster is a reliable, eco-friendly option for anyone seeking a high-performance cleaning solution. Number 4, we have the HSTOP compressed air duster. This electric air duster boasts an incredible 180,000 RPM motor, providing unmatched power for removing dust and debris from tight corners and delicate electronics. Its 4 adjustable speed settings ensure efficient cleaning for various tasks, from fans to car interiors. The 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery delivers extended runtime, allowing you to clean multiple areas without frequent recharging. Its compact cordless design makes it highly portable and convenient for on-the-go use. The integrated flashlight with 3 modes, including SOS, enhances visibility in dimly lit spaces, adding versatility for outdoor and emergency scenarios. Designed for reliability and ease of use, this duster includes multiple nozzles and brushes for tailored cleaning. Ideal for tech enthusiasts and home users alike, this tool combines power and precision for hassle-free maintenance. Number 3, we have the FRESMOL compressed air duster. This powerful air duster features a 100,000 RPM motor with 3 adjustable airflow settings, offering precise control for various cleaning tasks. Its robust airflow effortlessly removes dust and debris from keyboards, shelves, and tight crevices, making it a versatile tool for both home and office. Equipped with a 7,500 mAh rechargeable battery, this duster provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use on a full charge. The included Type-C fast charging cable ensures quick recharging for uninterrupted performance. The built-in LED light enhances visibility, making it easier to clean in dimly lit areas or hard-to-reach corners. Lightweight and cordless, the design is user-friendly and portable, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. With multiple nozzles and brushes included, it's adaptable for delicate electronics and larger surfaces alike. Ideal for those seeking a reliable and eco-friendly alternative to canned air. Number 2, we have the Fulljion brand compressed air duster. With its powerful 51,000 RPM motor and 3 adjustable speed settings, the Fulljion 3-gear air duster is perfect for tackling stubborn dust in delicate electronics, car interiors, or hard-to-reach areas. This versatile device ensures deep cleaning without damaging sensitive components. The 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 30 minutes of continuous use, and its Type-C fast charging capability minimizes downtime. This makes it an eco-friendly and cost-efficient alternative to disposable canned air. The integrated LED light adds convenience, illuminating dark spaces to ensure no debris is left behind. Its lightweight, compact design enhances portability and usability, while the included nozzles and brushes provide versatility for different cleaning tasks. Ideal for tech enthusiasts, professionals, or anyone seeking an efficient and reusable cleaning tool. Number 1, we have the FRESMOL compressed air duster. This high-powered compressed air duster features a 100,000 RPM motor and 3 adjustable airflow settings, offering unmatched versatility for cleaning delicate electronics or stubborn dust in hard-to-reach areas. Its customizable settings allow precise airflow control to suit various tasks, ensuring efficient cleaning every time. The built-in 7,500 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 40 minutes of use with a Type-C fast charging system that fully recharges in just a few hours. The integrated LED display conveniently shows the remaining battery level and active gear, helping you plan uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The addition of a bright LED light ensures no corner is overlooked, even in low light conditions. Compact and lightweight, this air duster is easy to handle and comes with multiple nozzles and brushes for specialized cleaning. Ideal for professionals and households seeking an eco-friendly and reusable alternative to canned air, this duster combines performance, efficiency, and portability in one exceptional package. We explored the top compressed air dusters of 2025, each designed to simplify cleaning and enhance efficiency. From powerful motors to versatile attachments, these tools offer convenience and eco-friendly solutions for your dusting needs. Choosing the right air duster can make all the difference, helping you clean with ease, protect your devices, and more efficient workspace. Let me know in the comments which compressed air duster is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.